Is that funny?
Oh my goodness, that laugh is to die for.
The bird says, "Excuse me."
You know we're gonna call him now a dirty bird. Excuse me. Oh! You can't get enough of that.
That's a gassy bird, huh, Alec?
Yeah, but
Oh, he's
watch this one.
cute.
Watch this one. He's gonna say.
How old is he?
He just turned 3.
I thought so. My son had a hat just like that.
Oh, what did he say?
Oh, he likes the fire. That's it.
That's the greatest. Where did you find something like that?
No,
My
he's
buddy got it
laughing
for
so
me.
hard from his belly laughter from the fire.
You want to see him dance? Yeah? Here. Let's hear him sing. Let's push the D right here.
To him a day.
Ooh.
Whatever.
Well, you just like that fart, don't you? Oh.
Excuse me.
What's he doing, Alec?
You like that one? Yeah.
Excuse me.
Gotta get this bird up close.
Excuse me.
That's some real parrot booty.
Let's do this one. Yeah? You want a clock? You want him to be on the clock? Yeah. He'd make a really good cuckoo clock, wouldn't he?